All right, so 7.5, proportions in triangles, and we are looking at this certain type of theorem called the side splitter theorem. So what the side splitter theorem says is that if a line is parallel to one side of a triangle, then it intersects the other two sides and divides them proportionally. So if we take a look at this triangle here, these two sides are parallel, so it splits the two sides it intersects into proportional segments. XR over RQ equals YS over SQ. Again, you could do it from the top down. You could go, I like to do it top down. I like to go QR over RX equals, I go back to Q, QS over SY. But again, it doesn't matter how you do it. Just make sure you have the, you go down a side or up a side and then go the same direction on the other side. Now we can broaden the side splitter theorem to parallel lines. So now if we just have parallel lines cut by transversals, right, now we can cut these parallel lines that are proportional sides. So as you can see, AB over BC, this is just like going down the side of a triangle, and then WX over XY. Okay, so we can do it with triangles or just with parallel lines. It's up to you. This is just extra practice of proportions. All right, so let's try a couple problems. All right, so let's take a look here. It says in the diagram, triangle ADC, EB is parallel to DC. So EB is parallel to DC. So here is that side splitter theorem. It says AE is 2, ED is 13, and BC is 78. What is the length of AC? So they want to know what this length is. Well, in order to find that length, I need to find AB first. So let's do it. X over 78, such as me going down the side from A down, equals, go back to A, 2 over 13. Now, we're going to solve a proportion like we know how. Cross multiply. X times 13 is 13x. 78 times 2, use a calculator. Whatever you got to do, that's 156. Divide by 13, and x equals 1, 2, x equals 12. So this value right here is 12. And now to find the length of AC, we're simply going to add 12 and 78 together. And 12 plus 78 is 90. Submit. Yes, I do. Green check mark. Awesome. Next problem's coming. All right, so here we go. It says lines L, M, and N are parallel, as you can see, and cut by two transversals. Find the value of x. So this is just like the side splitter theorem. I want to find x, put that on top of 84. That's going to equal, go back to the top here, 3 over 21. Cross multiply like you know. X times 21 is 21x. 3 times 84, let me use my calculator, is 252. Divide by 21, and x equals, and 252 divided by 21 is 12. And that's my value of x. Plug it in. Nice. There you go. It should be a pretty simple assignment for you. Best of luck.